So you want to type with accents, huh? You're in the right spot. Let me show you how to do it. If you're on a Mac, then it's pretty simple. You hold down the key that you want to type, and then it'll pop up a menu. For example, if you want to type in enye, hold down the N. The enye option will come up and you select that. If you want to type an upside down question mark, hold down the regular question mark and select the option when it comes. Pretty cut and dried, and thank you, Apple, for making it easy. If you don't have a Mac, or if that's not working on your Mac, stay tuned for more options. For these options, you'll need the keyboard number pad. That's this thing right here. If you try to use the numbers at the top of your keyboard, then it won't work. The number pad at the side will work. If you don't have a number pad on your keyboard, then stay tuned. I'll show you some other options at the end. If I want to type in enye, I can hold down Alt and then type in 164 on the number pad, and enye will come up. It turns out that Alt and 0241 will also give me an enye. Make sure you're using the number pad. An A with an accent, I can hold down Control, and then I can type the apostrophe button and the A button, and it'll give me an A with an accent. I can also use the number pad Alt plus 160 or Alt plus 0225. E with an accent, hold down Control, apostrophe, and E. Or using the number pad Alt plus 130 or Alt plus 0233. I with an accent is Control plus apostrophe plus I, or Alt 161 or Alt 0237. Again, make sure to use the number pad. O with an accent, Control plus apostrophe plus O, or Alt plus 162 or 0243 on the number pad. U with an accent is Control apostrophe and U, or Alt 163 or Alt 0250 on the number pad. This little U with the umlaut, which is sometimes used in Spanish, is Alt plus 129 or Alt 0252 on the number pad. Upside down question mark, Control plus Alt plus question mark, or Alt 168 on the number pad, or Alt 0191. Upside down, exclamation point, Control plus Alt plus exclamation point, or Alt 173 or Alt 0161 on the number pad. If any of these options don't work for you, try one of the other ones and keep trying until you get something. Now, let's say worst case scenario, none of that's working for you. You've got other options. Here's a backup plan. Open up Google Docs and use the Draw feature. Here's how you do it. In a Google Doc, you'll click Insert. That'll give you a drop-down menu, and you'll choose Special Characters. That will pop up this box. See how it has the box to the right that says Draw a Symbol here? Well, you just use your mouse and click and draw a symbol. Say I want the enye. I'll just draw one out. There you go. And it searches up possible characters or symbols that I'm looking for. And I can see the enye right there. I click it and insert it. That's how you can do it. If you're doing your work in a Google Doc, then your work is done. If not, you can simply copy that enye and paste it into, for example, a web browser, a form, or anything that you're working on. Just copy and paste it. I can also click on the search results drop down here, and it will give me a few options, but in there is recent characters. And so once I've drawn out these characters and used them, I don't have to keep redrawing them each time I want to use them. I can just click that, and then, oh look, here's a little menu of recently used characters, and I can just select from there. And it's easier than redrawing it every time. Here's a backup plan for using Word. If you're in a Word document, click Insert. After you've clicked that tab, go all the way to the right here and find the Symbol drop-down menu. Click that, and then select More Symbols at the bottom. And then I can go through it's a big long list of symbols, but if I scroll through carefully, I can find the ones that I need. Like here's the enye. There you go. I click it. Notice how it also gives me recently used symbols. So once I've found it in the big menu, I don't have to search it every time. I can just look in my recently used symbols, and that makes it a lot easier. A document with help for typing with accents is shared in our Google Class Materials section. Why don't you take a second to review all of this and then try practicing what you learned with our forms practice and see how you do. Thank you, class, and let us know if you have any questions.